I'll guide you through how to automatically screen or block unknown callers on iPhone the easy way. If you're looking to put an end to annoying robocalls, or you want to stop getting interrupted by unknown numbers, and then you need to automatically screen or block unknown callers on your iPhone, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we get into call screening, let's see how to silence unknown callers in iOS 13 and newer. This is a simple and effective feature that automatically sends calls from numbers not in your contacts straight to voicemail, so your phone never even rings. To begin, open the Settings app and scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap Apps. Next, tap Phone. The phone settings section includes call screening, silencing, filtering, and caller ID options. Scroll down until you see the Silence Unknown Callers option. Simply toggle the switch on. When enabled, any calls from numbers not in your contacts or recent calls will be automatically silenced and sent directly to voicemail. Your phone won't ring, but the call will still appear in your recents list. This allows you to check for any important, legitimate calls that might have been silenced, such as from a delivery service or a doctor's office. Now let's look at how to turn on call screening on iPhones running iOS 26 and newer. This is the new, more advanced feature that uses on-device AI to automatically screen calls for you. To begin, open the Settings app and scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap Apps. Next, tap Phone. The phone settings section includes call screening, silencing, filtering, and caller ID options. Select Ask Reason for calling. When an unknown number calls, your iPhone will automatically use on-device AI to silently answer and ask the caller to state their name and the reason for the call. When the caller replies, your iPhone will display a live transcription of what the caller is saying right on your screen. You can then decide whether to answer the call, send it to voicemail, or hang up, all without ever having to speak to the caller directly. Now that you've learned how to automatically screen and block unknown callers on iPhone, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.